Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by checking compatibility. Make sure your phone supports video output or dual screen mode. Once done, enable necessary settings like screen mirroring or developer options to allow external displays. Plug in the cable or adapter and connect to the second screen. You should see a duplicate or extended display prompt. If prompted, grant permissions. This step gets the phone and external hardware talking, so you can choose mirror versus extend and move to configuring layout. Now you configure how the two screens behave. Open display settings and pick mirror to duplicate content or extend to have independent screens. Choose resolution and orientation for best fit. Next, use your phone's multi-window gestures or drag apps to the second display when supported. This lets you run different apps on each screen. Also, make sure to route audio and adjust refresh rate or DPI so text and video look correct. Test a video and a document side by side to confirm proper setup. Finish by tidying connections and saving any layout presets if your phone offers them. This speeds future use. Make sure the external display has stable power and that cables are fully seated. Once everything looks right, test touch, keyboard, and audio routing. If the picture is off or apps won't move, restart your phone and reconnect the cable. That fixes most handshake and scaling issues. If problems persist, switch between mirror and extend to isolate whether the phone, cable, or display is causing trouble.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.